Hi, my name is Kiranjot Kaur. Today I am going to represent our group presentation Network 601 Enterprise Cloud Security. My group members are Amninder Singh, Kiranjot Kaur and Veerpal Kaur. First of all, introduction. Cloud computing is an innovative technological solution that fosters lots of other opportunities within the business. The decision of NGO Private Limited to adopt the cloud model has been effective enough to bring a change within the organization. The advanced solution needs to be aligned with appropriate techniques associated with configuration and security. Next slide is what security practices techniques we will cover. First is identity and access management. Next is and infrastructure security. Third one is network security. Fourth one is data security, encryption and storage. Next is application security and last one is auditing and legal compliance. Other next slide is identity and access management techniques. The data on the cloud is highly sensitive. Second one is identity and access management is most effective technique for fostering high level security at the cloud platform. It allows only authenticated users to access the sensitive data placed at cloud. Next slide is this involves understanding the nature of cloud model. Second one is proper the distribution of roles and permissions with respect to responsibility of the user. Fostering the technique of multi-factor authentication process can enhance the security of the data resources. Conducting frequent audits of the data resources followed by removal of data that is no longer needed. Proper training of the employees associated with identity and access management practices. Next is example, the access control information of the employee who is leaving the organization should be revoked as soon as possible. Next is my friend Veerpal Kaur.
Hello everyone, my name is Virpal. Today my slide is platform and infrastructure. Securing the organization platform and infrastructure is all about protecting each and every element placed at the cloud platform. It is vital that cloud model and design is selected in an appropriate manner that would deliver highest to the organization. And the next slide is this involves all the data that is placed on the cloud shall be encrypted using best encryption techniques. Monitoring the activities being executed within the cloud platform is important. Last one is regularly assess the network to come out with such vulnerabilities so that the same cloud be mitigated at right time. Network security. Migrating to the cloud is all associated with the efficiency of a network that connect the users with the resources. It is very important that the network that connects different individuals with the cloud resources shall be at most secure that so that the flow of information is safe enough. This involves it is the recommended that the organization shall opt for the virtual private clouds that are secure enough. Second one is the networks shall be equipped with the most efficient firewall techniques. The third one is network segmentation is a technique that the discussed organization shall focus on. The software and the patches shall be updated in the regular intervals so that intervention of unauthorized users can be avoided. Last one is application of data encryption process while the data flows. And my next friend is Kiran Chupka.
My name is Kiran Jodhkar. Now I am talking about data security, encryption and storage. To implement data security, the organization should plan for encryption techniques and solutions. The data placed on the cloud platform should be encrypted using some of the effective encryption algorithms, then access management. This should involve categorized in the users and allocating specific privileges as per the role of the user. Then data backup. If the organization will be available of data backup, it will be easy for the same to resume working without hampering the daily business activities. Storage devices security. With the cloud platform, the service provider provides lots of storage options which can be selected based on cloud model. Then evaluation of security practices. The security policies and practices shall be reviewed on timely basis and should be updated with the updation of cloud features. For example, setting up a strong password and regularly updating the same is one of the epitomes that promote a secure culture within ANZA Pty Ltd.
Here I'm talking about application security. The application should be developer security without any holes being reflected by the application code. The application should be supported efficient authentication process. Securing the application protocol interface is very important. Regularly testing to identify certain vulnerabilities the former is exposed to. Implementing the data encryption techniques is also a good choice. Auditing as legal compliance. Cloud offers lots of opportunities at individual as well as the professional level. It is very important to acknowledge that using code shall be accompanied with the fine adherence to all the regulatory requirements and standards. This would help the organization to be transparent in nature. This involves the selection of cloud service providers should be done keeping in mind it adherence to legal requirements. The compliance standards associated with the cloud framework should be closely related to the service provided by the cloud service provider. Use of cloud governance tools for fostering the policies is also recommended to the organization. Appointing an external auditing team is one of the best approach for checking the regulatory compliance. Conclusion, cloud implementation should be planned based on the analysis and evaluation of business model. To adhere the efficiencies is very important to ANZA PTY Ltd selects the most appropriate cloud service provider. To the offering provided by the cloud are numerous. Critically focusing on the security practices is very important. This process includes implementing identity and access management, securing the cloud platform, security the cloud applications. It is recommended that the organization implement all the security practices is in the presence of proper expertise. Here are some references of this one.